Chapter 3: Keyboard and Mouse. Learning Objectives. Keyboard. Various keys on keyboard. Mouse. Structure of a mouse. Types of mouse. Working of mouse. Introduction. Keyboard and mouse are two commonly used input devices. Keyboard is used to enter data into the computer by pressing keys, whereas mouse is used to enter data into the computer by clicking on buttons. Keyboard. Keyboard consists of various buttons called keys. It is used to enter letters, words, numbers, and symbols to the computer by pressing keys. It comes in various sizes and shapes. Numeric keys, function keys, backspace key, delete key, tab key, caps lock key, special keys, space bar, alphabet keys, enter key, arrow keys. Various keys on keyboard. A keyboard contains various types of keys which are used to enter different types of data into the computer. Let us learn about the keys in this section. Function keys. The top line of the keyboard contains 12 function keys, F1 to F12, where each key is used for different purpose depends on the application in which it is used. F1 is normally used for help. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. Number keys. Number keys are used to enter numbers. There are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. These appear just below the function keys. You can also see a numeric pad to the right side of the keyboard. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z on a keyboard. These keys can be used to enter letters, words, sentences, and paragraphs. Arrow keys. Arrow keys, also known as cursor control keys or cursor movement keys, are used to move the cursor on the screen. These are foreign numbers which can move the cursor in any of the 4 directions. That is, left, right, up or down. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up one line. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor one character left. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor one character right. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down one line. Note: a cursor is a vertical blinking line from where the text begins. Enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. If you want to move some contents to new line, then place the cursor to the left of the contents and press Enter key. You will see that the text appears after the cursor is moved to the beginning of the next line. Tab key. Tab key is used to advance the cursor to the next tab stop. You can also reset the default tab position according to your needs. Backspace key. Backspace key is used in case you want to delete some contents of the text. This key can delete the text that appears to the left of a cursor one character at a time. Press this key multiple times to delete multiple characters. Delete key. Delete key is another key which is also used for the removal of the text as backspace key. But a difference between these two keys is that delete key deletes the text that appears to the right of a cursor on the character at a time, and backspace key deletes the text that appears to the left of a cursor one character at a time. Caps lock key. Caps lock key can be used to type the capital letters. For this, you need to press this key once to activate it. To deactivate it, press it again. Space bar. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard, which is used to add extra space between the words while typing some text. When you press a space bar key once, it will add a single character space. To add multiple spaces, press the key multiple times. We usually use thumb press space bar. Special keys. Special keys are used in conjunction with some other keys. It includes Alt key. Alt key is used in conjunction with some other keys to perform some tasks. For example, Alt plus F to open a file menu. Control key. You can use Control key in conjunction with some alphabet keys to perform some functions. For example, Control plus C. It will copy the selected text or object. Control plus V. It will paste the selected text or object. Control plus S to save the document. Shift key. A shift key can be used with alphabet keys to type capital letters. It can also be used with number keys to type special characters displayed on those keys, like exclamation, @, dollar, percentage, asterisk, and etc. Mouse. A mouse, also called a pointing device, is used to control the pointer on the screen. When you move a mouse on a mouse pad, a pointer moves on the screen. Structure of a mouse. A mouse is small in size and has two buttons on it. Left button. It appears to the left side of the mouse. Right button. It appears to the right side of the mouse. Mostly the mouse also has a scroll wheel which is present between the left button and the right button. It is used to scroll the page. It is connected to the CPU with the help of the cable. Cable, right button, left button, scroll wheel. Packed file. There are wireless mouse devices and keyboards too these days. Types of mouse. Trackball mouse. Trackball is a mechanical mouse which has a ball inside it. When you move the mouse on a mouse pad, the ball moves along with it. As the ball moves, the pointer moves on the screen. Optical mouse. In optical mouse, there is infrared light which is used to move the pointer on the screen, and there is no ball inside the mouse. Wireless optical mouse. This type of mouse is similar to optical mouse, but the only difference is that wireless optical mouse uses Bluetooth technology and there is no use of wires as it is in another type of mouses. Working of mouse. A mouse is mainly used to perform 4 functions. Clicking. Clicking means to press the left button once. It is used for making selections like selecting an object, text, or button. Double clicking. Double clicking means to press the left button twice quickly. It can be used to open an application by double clicking on its icon. Right click. Right clicking means to press right button once. To open a list of commands for the selected object, we press the right button. Drag and drop. Dragging an object means to place an object from one place to another. For this, you can click on an object, press and hold the left button, and then move the mouse. You will see that the object is also moving along with it. Then drop the object by releasing the mouse button. Quick backup. Keyboard is used to enter letters, words, numbers and symbols to the computer by pressing keys. The top line of the keyboard contains 12 function keys, F1 to F12. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z on a keyboard. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. A mouse, also called a pointing device, is used to control the pointer on the screen. Trackball is a mechanical mouse which has a ball inside it. Right-clicking means to press right button once.